Hello guys, Shubham here. OxygenOS based on Android 10 stable version for Poco F1. Here we go.
All the pain.
So at the very first time you have to download these two files which is given down in the description. The very first file, as you can see, is the vendor file, and the second one is the system file, which is our main file of OxygenOS. Here I had made a separate folder in my OTG drive where I stored all these files. You can store this anywhere on your downloads folder or also in your SSD card or external storage. Once you download the required file, go to the recovery of your device. By clicking on restart and booting to recovery. Recovery gets booted. So at the very first time you have to go to wipe and wipe the Dalvik cache and the system and also data. Make sure that you don't wipe the internal storage and also make sure that you don't wipe the vendor, as there is no need to wipe vendor even if you are flashing vendor for this ROM. So it's done. Now go back to install and install the two files which I stored in OTG. It must be installed in an order that first you install the system file, that is our ROM build, and after that the vendor zip. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes to get installed. Have patience, it will install. Don't worry. As you can see, the installation is finished. Now go back and reboot your phone to system. Also make sure that in some cases at the very first boot the device doesn't boot, but don't worry, as you can restart the phone again and after one more restart the phone will start perfectly. As I was also stuck in boot loop, so I restarted my phone second time and boom, here it is. OxygenOS installed based on Android 10 in Poco F1. So moving towards setting. Here you can see we have got the latest OxygenOS based on Android 10, which is in the latest OnePlus 7 series. boom, Android 10 installed based on OxygenOS. Big shout out to the developer Amok787 who made this possible to make such mod of OxygenOS. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video and you want the review of this OxygenOS mod, then please comment down in comment section. Until then, like this video and subscribe to my channel to get further such updates and ROM reviews and other mods and tricks. And see you in the next one.